Hi, this is Rich Bowers from Bowersakclabs. We are looking at the dog park. Those are the little puppies, the available puppies that are, they're taking my hose and bringing it all the way down. Good thing that's a metal hose, so they can't really do nothing wrong to it. So this is Rich Bowers looking at the park. Here's Cloudy, there's Mary, there's Crypto, there's Martha, there's that available black puppy, 16 weeks old. I don't know why no one wants this puppy. This puppy's great. We have Molly, we have Rosie, we have Charlotte, and we have Pikachu. And then we have the 5 puppies back there, which I'll show you later when I do everything. So this is the front kennel that's out in the dog park. And then the back kennel, we let them run in the fields. So there we are. Here we are at the dog park. Yay! Yay! Mary, Martha, Fruit Punch, and Sunflower. And there's that available puppy. I don't know why no one wants this guy. Beautiful. This is Cloudy's last puppy. Cloudy's puppy. I don't know, people. We got a lot of inquiries, but nobody's leaving a deposit. I mean, if you look on my YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram channels, and you see all the black puppies there, you would want one of these puppies. This puppy is awesome. I play with this puppy every day. So these puppies been out here, these doggies been out here for a couple hours already. So you just see the tail end. So this is Rich Bowers from Bowersakclabs in the Bowersakc Dog Park, signing off, and God bless.